Hey everybody, this is Adam. We're about halfway through day 3. We've got all of the battens, most of them, still need some more there, nailed down. We've got some tiles set out over here for installation, and we've actually got some installed over there, so we're definitely on schedule here. Things are going well. Later today we will get our mid-roof inspection, where they come out and make sure that, everything underneath the tiles is done well. And hopefully we can get this finished up tomorrow. Alright, have a great day.